Another day, another chance to sample hot chicken, and this time we head to the heart of downtown Nashville to check out the concert and restaurant venue, City Winery. But no wine tonight, just hot chicken. This place has a beautiful dining room, and it was surprisingly not that crowded tonight for a Friday night. What do they have? Hot chicken and waffles with sweet potato fries. Makes you want to smack your mama. Let's have a bite. How is it? Oh my God. Yes, sir. We have a new winner. 8.8. City Winery takes a late lead on Hot Chicken Week 2022.